Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be learning the kidney and urinary bladder, which is chapter 11. So kidney is the organ of the body which is responsible for removal of nitrogenous products from the blood. So जो nitrogenous products होते हैं उनको blood से remove करने का काम कौन करता है? Kidney. So some important definitions which we must know are azotemia. ठीक है? Azotemia means elevation of blood urine nitrogen (BUN) or and creatinine levels due to reduced glomerular filtration rate. So here there is decrease in GFR. So we are having the pre-renal cause which is associated with decreased perfusion as in shock, hemorrhage and heart failure. ठीक है? So second cause is renal cause जो कि intrinsic defect होता है kidney में, and third one is post-renal cause means associated with obstruction की वजह से, urine flow की obstruction की वजह से होता है. तो pre-renal because of shock जिसमें tissue perfusion कम हो जाती है. Renal means there is defect in the kidney, intrinsic defect in the kidney, and third is post-renal cause associated with obstruction in the kidney. Patients do not require dialysis at this stage. So patient do not require azotemia में dialysis की requirement नहीं होती है. Second is uremia. In this there is azotemia plus clinical signs and symptoms plus biochemical abnormalities. So there is secondary presence of uremic gastroenteritis, peripheral neuropathy, and uremic pericarditis. Patients require dialysis at this stage. Okay, so in uremia patient requires dialysis. Now let's learn about the cystic diseases of the kidney. So polycystic kidney disease, it is of two types, adult PKD and childhood PKD. So firstly we'll learn the adult one. So it is autosomal dominant. We know adult AD, autosomal dominant, inheritance, mutations in PKD1, PKD2 and PKD3 genes में, and PKD1 क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? पॉलीसिस्टीन प्रोटीन को प्रोड्यूस करता है. PKD1 पॉलीसिस्टीन प्रोटीन, और सिम्टोमेटिक होता है टिल द मिडिल एज. क्लिनिकल फीचर्स इंक्लूड्स हेमेच्यूरिया, हाइपरटेंशन, UTI and renal stones. Extrarenal manifestations are cysts in other organs like liver, most commonly pancreas, spleen, ovary. Second is berry aneurysm. Third one is colonic diverticula. And fourth is mitral valve prolapse, aortic regurgitation. Grossly, bilaterally enlarged kidneys with multiple cysts containing serous or hemorrhagic fluid present होता है. Okay. Now let's learn about the childhood PKD or childhood polycystic kidney disease. It is autosomal recessive inheritance, mutation in PKHD1. Remember यहाँ PKD1 है और childhood में PKHD1 gene जो produce करता है fibrocystin protein, presents in infancy with renal insufficiency, associated with multiple hepatic cysts and congenital hepatic fibrosis होती है. So congenital hepatic fibrosis होती है. Crossly, bilaterally enlarged kidneys with small cysts in cortex and medulla, having their long axis at right angle to the capsule. Okay, right angle or 90 degrees to the capsule. So mnemonic for the APKDR, it is 11 B's. So firstly, signs are bloody urine. So blood आता है urine में. Bilateral pain. So blood pressure up, bigger kidneys, and in stones which are usually unilateral means एक ही side pain होता है stones में. Complications are berry aneurysm, bilateral cyst, bicuspid valve, prolapse and other problems occur. X-relators are boys, blacks, blood pressure high. So that was about the APKD, adult polycystic kidney disease. So the major source of erythropoietin is interstitial cells in peritubular capillaries and tubular epithelial cells. It is also produced in perisinusoidal cells in liver. Major source of renin is JG cells in kidney. We know very well. Now genetics. Adult polycystic kidney disease is autosomal dominant, and the polycystic kidney disease is defect on the chromosome 16 because it contains 16 letters. So we'll suppose there is defect on chromosome 16.